Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Coca-Cola Scholarship online. The Coca-Cola application period for scholarship program has already closed for 2024. The application window typically opens in August and closes by early October. However, here's what you can do if you ever want to sign up for Coca-Cola Scholarship Program. The first thing you'll need to ensure is to meet the requirement, that is, you'll need to be a US citizen, graduating high school senior with a minimum 3.0 GPA, and planning to enroll in post-secondary education within a year of graduation. Now go ahead and visit a web browser and in the URL box type in Coca-Cola Scholarship Foundation.org and search. Stay alerted or keep an eye on Coca-Cola Scholars Foundation website, which is this one over here, and whenever the application opens and you get an announcement, you can go ahead and sign up and get started with it. Simply click on the sign up button, which should appear at the bottom of the screen, and then make sure to fill in the information in the text boxes. To sign up for a quarterly newsletter so that you will know when the application opens or when the deadlines are approaching, you can simply go ahead and fill in the information in the text boxes. Fill in your first name, last name, your email address, and select if you are a student, parent, guidance counselors, or others. After entering these information, click on sign up. Now once you do this, if there is an opening application available, you will be informed with this website and you can then follow through the instructions in order to apply for Coca-Cola Scholarship. While you are going through the application in the correct time, be sure to gather information such as your transcript, details about your academic achievements, information about extracurricular activities and community service involvement. So that is how you will be able to sign up for Coca-Cola Scholarship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.